Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are here today with Brock and his STI behind me. Brock doesn't really know too much about what actually went into the car, as I did all the build for it. So we ended up doing a full engine build on this thing. New rods, new pistons, bigger turbo, bigger injectors. It's set up for E85, right? But it's only running on 95?
Set up for E85.
98, sorry?
It's on 98. It's got flex fuel. It's not tuned for E85.
The 2004 WRX STI comes fitted with an EJ207 that produces 195 kilowatts or 265 horsepower from factory. What makes the STI different from the WRX, you might ask? Well, the STI comes fitted with Brembo brakes, a 6-speed transmission, larger R180 rear diff, STI embroidered seats and interior trims, and who can forget that large rear spoiler. The STI also comes with a VF39 turbo, whereas the WRX comes with the smaller TD04 turbo.
So Brock's not here. I've picked up one of his best mates, Cody. Yo. We're just gonna go for a drive, do a little bit of talk about the car, and yeah, just spend some time together. Should be good.
Been too long?
Yeah, way too long, man. All right, so with Brock's car, as you guys can see, it's not stock at all. We did do a full bottom end build after he did burn a valve, and while the motor was out, he was like, "Oh, yeah, let's just build the bottom end. Let's make it stout, make it reliable." So we do have 10th hour oversized pistons, Nitto I-beam rods, ACL race bearings in the bottom end. He opted out for closed decking because he didn't have the money at the time. But he did eventually pour a lot more money into it. As you can see, Plasma Man front mount. We have a Garrett Gen 2 GTX 3076 turbo, 272 degree Kelford cams in the head with titanium retainers, upgraded valve springs, and they are 1mm oversized valves, just to get a bit more extra flow into the engine. Got the Turbo Smart fuel pressure regulator, Hyperflow catch can, you know, just to stop these motors breathing as heavy as they do. I mean, they're always going to breathe, but that stops it all collecting in the intake and then diluting your air fuel mixtures. So that's always a good thing to have on your Subaru, regardless whether it's stock or whether you are using it for motorsport. It's always good. Keen-eyed viewers would notice that the oil filler is actually in a different position. This is a Killer B oil filler neck. It is specifically designed for people that run front mounts, just to move it out of the way, because normally it would actually sit right here. So it does make it handy, get it out of the way so you can fit the piping in there. It is a little bit trickier because it does sit on an angle when trying to fill it, but it works, it does the job. Made a custom coolant reservoir, just because there wasn't the space here. We could have probably made different mounts and sat the factory one up, but while I was at it, I was like, oh, I may as well just put my welding skills to the test and make a custom one. So that's sitting up nice and high. And yeah, with any Subaru, you can't really make the engine bay nice and clean, so that's unfortunate. It is what it is, it's just Subaru things. But let's go for a drive through some twisties. There are a lot of cops about, so nothing crazy, just a nice leisurely cruise. Yeah, it'll be fun. Let's go check it out. Goodbye, copper.
You're gonna be careful out the house today, eh?
Yep. That's why I was like, yeah, we'll just do a leisurely cruise. Well, this is where we saw the cop last time.
Yeah, a little bit further back than it was here.
No, it's just after here.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Cody's turn to drive.
Hope I didn't saw it.
Don't embarrass yourself. Oh, look at that, you did all right. Easy peasy, mate.
Hope you're in a manual, I don't know how long.
Now, if you guys hadn't seen already in the on-car footage, and we've already seen a few cops. So yeah, sketchy bit of road to be thrashing a car. That's why we're not thrashing it, but it's still a fun drive.
Definitely.
Just very bumpy.
Thanks, Brock.
Alright guys, well that's about all I've got for this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. A little bit of a rundown on Brock's car. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button, turn notifications on so you get notified when the videos do go live. Catch you in the next one.